So my hands get very antsy when I'm laying in bed all day, and I have acquired some various fidget items to help keep them occupied. You've got the classic fidget spinner, and then you have the switchblade, which this has the most awful blade on it ever, but it's fun to poke in and out. I swear if I didn't know better, I'd say this blade was plastic, and it's so dull. But it's good for fidgeting. And then this is just a ratchet, and I just really liked the little clicking sensation from turning it. And I wrapped it in tape to give it a little more texture to grip onto, and you can actually reverse its direction, so you can go back and forth. Just a very satisfying click. And then one of my favorites is magnet cubes. These are rubber coated, but I also have some that are just metallic coated, and they just kind of fold together and snap apart, and the ones coated in rubber last a lot longer. The ones coated in cheap nickel, they actually start to smell because the magnets underneath the nickel are basically iron, and you get this kind of like penny smell. So I like the rubber coated ones better. And then this is kind of cool. It's I think it's called an impossible cube or something like that, and it just kind of folds and unfolds eternally, and it's definitely fun. And then most recently I've gotten into fidget clickers, which I've shown a couple of times, and they just give you kind of like a haptic click. They're magnets that click together. You get two sections, and then I have this one, my most recent one. This has a middle section, so you get more clicks out of it. So you get 4 clicks instead of 2. And this is probably my favorite one so far. But I try to switch it up so I have a variety. And that's all my fidgets.